To make the V8 juice, you will need 2 celery stalks, leaves removed, 1 carrot, half a small beet, 1 handful of parsley, 2 tomatoes, and a pinch of sea salt. Optionally, you can have some cos, romaine, watercress, spinach, and a little bit of pepper if you like. In we go with the celery. So this is a real vegetable-based juice. Then we can go in with the carrots. Carrot juice is revered in Ayurveda. A little bit high in sugar, but it's also good to get those root vegetables into your diet. If your juicer clogs up like that, just reverse it for a little bit, switch it back on. And that is the V8 juice.